I feel like this is already a horrible idea. IKEA coffee is not too bad. Hello everybody, I'm back with a new video, and it's probably gonna be a horrible idea. If you didn't already know, I watched Taylor R on YouTube. She was one of the first people that really made me want to start a YouTube channel, so if you don't know who she is a vlogger that was originally based in Japan. She is now in Hong Kong, and she created a whole bunch of things like these. Today I will be doing one of them. So I have my, this is my base makeup. So basically the makeup that I wear every day, essentially. And I will be trying to recreate the garden eyebrows. Why is my phone out like that? And like that. Do you like my background? I tried a little bit harder. Oh, also I got this new shelf thing from, I was gonna say IKEA, but it's just because I came from IKEA. I got it from Michael's, and I got it for really, really cheap. And this is also flowers that I made. I'm well aware that my roots are terrible. Did you know that when people have roots, they're usually aware of it? I just spilled like a considerable amount of water on the ground. Should I actually follow her tutorial? Should I do that? Okay, let's actually follow her tutorial.
Hey, I'm Gruff. I'm not so gruff. And we're the Game Grumps. Hello.
And just put it on your brow.
Okay, she's doing like a pomade. I don't have that, so I'm going to use... Okay, I'm not really gonna follow her tutorial exactly. Okay, she has like a pomade. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use this light, this basically white cream liner, and I'm just going to lighten my brows a little bit. This is the ColourPop cream gel liner, and if you guys know me, you know that I'm not a huge fan of ColourPop anymore, particularly with their customer service, so I haven't bought anything else. Oh, if you guys didn't know, with the update with ColourPop, they sent me another formal letter saying like, we delivered your order, we want the money, even though the tracking information was like, no, it's not delivered. So that's pleasant. I have no eyebrows. This is what I would look like with no eyebrows.
And then you can just clean up the top and bottom with a Q-tip.
I have this little black beauty book from, I forgot I'm on manual focus, Elf. I got it on sale for like $4, and I guess I'll just use, this is really dirty, I guess I'll use this green color. Maybe I'll use a little bit of green, the light lime green and the regular green. And let's just pat it in. Okay, it's not really coming up. Hello, Sophia. Okay, so I'm kind of just patting it in. Hello. Hi. Yes, I'm doing weird things on the internet. Maybe a darker color? Would that help? I'll put it in the arch. I'm going to just darken my shadow. My eyes, I think, just a little bit. That was probably too much. Do I know how to make up yet? I don't think so. This is like my favorite highlighter. Oh, it looks so sad on the back now. I have to sneeze. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of little green. I have a whole bunch of dried flower thingies and tweezers and this Ardell brush on Lush adhesive. This is the cheapy stuff from Walmart. I'm not going to use my Anastasia stuff because that stuff is expensive. Like dirt under the eyebrow. It'll represent dirt. Okay, so I have my eyelash adhesive. Let's get in close. Yeah, that's excellent blending. I'm a great at makeup. Oh god, this is not, no, this is very stupid. Why did I decide to do this? Adhesive, and I'm going to just, oh god, why am I doing this? This is taking forever. I don't like the base color that I have on. I feel like I should darken it. Maybe adding yellow would help? Let's add some yellow. Let's just continue gluing the stupid pieces on. Okay, I have them all cut up into tiny pieces inside of this plastic container because I was using it on my mirror before like an idiot. I wonder if I could just... Can I just put like adhesive all across my eyebrow and see if that works? Will that work? It works. I guess also because it's like slightly tacky, it's working. This is what I'm doing right now with my life. I think this is kind of cute actually. I kind of think I want to extend this. You know that vine of like the little girl who's eating wasabi and she's like, help? Yeah, that's how I feel. Hey Laura, what did you do today? I was just gluing shit to my face. Cool. What did you do? I gotta go, so I don't know if I want to do anything else with this. Am I done? I don't even know anymore. Are we done? I think we're done. So this is garden eyebrows. Thanks for watching my crap video. I'm gonna take these off because it's extremely uncomfortable. I think even if you had this for like a Halloween costume, do not recommend. It's super uncomfortable. So anyways, this is my interpretation of Taylor Ars's garden eyebrows. So this is what I did. This is what I'm doing with my time now. I think it actually came out kind of cute. I don't know. I think maybe if I made my eyebrows like a little bit more yellow, like a more ochre green, it would look a little bit better. But yeah, I'm definitely not going to do this again because it's super uncomfortable. It doesn't feel good. It just feels like there's stuff on me. It just feels terrible. I'm sure it looks cool, especially in photos that I'm going to take after I'm done filming this, but it's super uncomfortable. I do not recommend it. Anyways, thanks for watching my crap video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!